to my channel. My name is Abby and on my channel I mostly film fashion videos. I feel so weird because I feel like I haven't filmed in so long, but you guys wouldn't have noticed because I've been pretty consistent, but I actually haven't filmed for a while, so I feel a bit weird. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Gucci women's rubber slide sandal. I saw this on Twitter randomly, like completely random, like when you shop for shoes on Twitter, but I was on Twitter scrolling and then I saw it in the blue colour and I stopped in my tracks because I was like, those are so cute, like they're so 90s, they're so cute. Anyways, we'll talk about this. Let me show you them first. I actually haven't opened them. I've had them sitting in my room for like maybe 3 days now. I've just been busy with so much stuff, but we're gonna open it today, so I'm very excited. It came in this huge box and at first I was like, why do we need such a huge box? But it's because they've presented it all so nicely. I filmed a little clip so that I can show you the box in another clip, but it has like a gift bag, I guess, like one of those eco-friendly Gucci bags, and then it also comes with this note from Gucci, and this is probably my receipt. If I'm going off past experience, this is probably my receipt. Yeah. What's this one then? Oh, it's just a thank you. They're saying, we look forward to assisting you again at Gucci.com. That's cute. I love this kind of paper. You know the kind of paper you get like wedding invitations on? Like really nice and quality. Oh, I'm obsessed with this green pattern they've got on everything. So this is how it has come. The ribbon literally fell off as I pulled it out of the box right now, but let's take that off anyway because we won't be needing that. Right, so this is how it looks. Oh my god, I'm really excited all of a sudden. So we take this off and have a look at them. Got the paper inside. So I'm going to show you what one looks like. I've just got the dust bag. They're both in separate dust bags. This is one that I've pulled out. I think it's the left side. Yes, it is. Ooh, these are cute. They're kind of dusty though. Like, what's up with that, Gucci? Why are they dusty? Why are my brand new shoes dusty, bro? But yeah, this is what they look like. These are so 90s. Like, oh my goodness, this just reminds me of the kind of stuff like my mum and my aunts used to wear. Like, it's such a vibe. Like, this is such a throwback to me. And it looks good for a narrow foot like mine. So what we have here is a rubber shoe, of course. We have Gucci embossed around the top, and then we have a 2 centimeter platform, and then we have a 6 centimeter heel, which is not very high at all. That looks very comfortable, but of course I'm gonna try them on to show you guys. But yeah, these are so cute. Let me get the other one. Initially I was gonna go for the blue ones because those were just the ones I saw, and then I saw when I went on the actual website, I saw the blue ones on Twitter, and then when I went on the Gucci website I saw that they had pink ones too, and I was like, oh, should I get pink ones? But then I was like, the blue ones, they didn't have my size, and then for the pink ones I was thinking I won't be able to wear them that often because pink is just such a specific colour, but black, you can never go wrong. And I was thinking with the blue ones I was going to be able to wear it with jeans or like, you know, like a cute white dress or a cute blue dress, but they just didn't have my size. So I got the black ones, which I think I could rock with absolutely everything. And yeah, they're so cute. I really want to try them on, guys. Like, I really want to try them on. I just wonder why they're so dusty, bro. Like, what's that about? They're literally in dust bags and they're dusty. But yeah, they look like a really comfortable height. So I think it's time to put these on and then show you guys what they look like. So guys, this is them on. How cute are they? Like, I love it. They're so comfy. And it doesn't really feel like I'm wearing a heel. Like, I could definitely wear these for ages. They're so cute. I love it. It just takes me right back. I paired it with this skirt from Zara just because I wanted to give it more of like a cutesy feel, like a girly feel, but you could definitely wear this with like trousers, jeans, leggings, anything really. Dresses would be cute too. Yeah, I think they're so cute. I do feel like they would need to mold to my foot a bit more. They have more space than I expected. I got them in my exact size, so I'm a 39, Italian 39, and I got them in an Italian 39, but there's some extra space on the front and on the back, which I don't think is a bad thing. I think it works well for comfort, but yeah, just beware of that. It's not a bad thing though. I think they're true to size. I would say they're true to size. I wouldn't say size up or size down or anything. But yeah, this is what they look like on. I had to do like a talk over because I couldn't get a shot from far away where it's just like, where I felt like they looked good. But yeah, I hope you've seen them in this clip at least. So, more details on the shoes. They come in 6 different colorways. They come in black, they come in white, they come in red, green, blue, and pink. As I said, I chose the black ones because I just thought versatility, you can always rock these. And what I like about these is they don't seem like, you know, Gucci shoes are kind of like, oh my god, Gucci, so it's like you wouldn't want to just rock them all the time. But there's something about these which is so casual that you wouldn't mind. Like, you would definitely get your wear out of them, in my opinion. What else was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Yeah, I would say if you have a narrow foot like I do, stick to your normal size. That's what I did. I got my regular size and I'm really happy with it. I don't wish I went up or I don't wish I went down. They fit perfectly. They have just enough room at the front and at the back. They're not like, your toes aren't just like hanging off or your heel isn't just off the back. So yeah, stick to your regular size, I would say, is my recommendation. But yeah, really happy with these. Let me know what you guys think of these. I just think they're a really fun shoe to have, like really cute and fun. And I'm really being experimental with the type of footwear I'm buying. I'm sure you guys have noticed the type of shoes that I review on my channel. I never really just like, you know, like a regular. I like to explore when it comes to footwear. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of these. I think it's a really cute throwback to the 90s, and like I think that's why I was sold. Like, I absolutely love that this was what was in before, you know, like stiletto high heels came onto the scene. So like, this is what you would rock to a party like back then. So yeah, love it. I think that's all for my video. I hope I've covered enough info for you guys to like have a better idea about these shoes. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, let me know. Comment, rate, and subscribe as well. Also, I just want to mention, like, I feel like since I did my Beyonce unboxing, so many new people have joined my channel. Like, so many new people have subscribed. And, like, I'm so grateful. Like, thank you so much, guys. It's so weird because, like, I'm literally sat here talking to myself. So it's so weird to think that people are actually gonna watch this and listen and be like, you know, on the other end of it. And it's so funny to think that you guys actually want to listen to what I have to say. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the content anyways, and welcome to my channel, guys. Like, it's so cool to have more of you, and I'm so grateful for the subscribers that I already have. But yeah, do all the good stuff, commenting, rating, subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.